Hello everyone, this is Matinek and today I have the Bose Quiet Comfort SE headphones. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this one. Period of time. So here we go, we have of course the manual. I'll leave the manual right here. And yes, this is the neoprene soft bearing case. And so yeah, it looks like it's phone pattern. Take this one out. And here we have the USB-C charging cable and the headphone audio cable and nothing else. And this one has the synthetic leatherette ear pads, and it's soft. The headphone has a nice matte black finish. And here we have the ANC button and the headphone port. Here we have the volume up and down and the multifunction button. There you have it. And if you are interested with these headphones, I will put the affiliate link down in the description below. And if you have questions, feel free to ask me and I will respond to you as soon as I can. So once again, this is Matinek and thanks for watching. See you in my next one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.